traditional feijoada of Brazil. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of black beans, 500 grams of dried meat, 500 grams of pepperoni sausage, 500 grams of pork ribs, 500 grams of pork meat, can be paio, loin, etc. 2 chopped onions, 6 minced garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon paprika, salt to taste. Method of preparation: soak the beans in cold water for at least 2 hours before cooking. In a pressure cooker, cook the dried meat in enough water to cover the meat, for about 30 minutes. Drain the water and cut the meat into pieces. In the same pressure cooker, cook the pork ribs in enough water to cover the meat, for about 20 minutes. Drain the water and reserve the meat. Cut the pepperoni sausage, pork and onions into pieces. In a large pan, saute the onion and garlic until golden. Add the pepperoni sausage, pork and bay leaves and saute until the meat is golden. Add the black beans, dried meat and pork ribs to the large pot and cover with water. Add paprika and salt to taste. Cook over low heat for about 2 hours, stirring occasionally, until the beans are cooked through and the broth is thick. Serve hot with white rice, farofa, braised kale, oranges and pepper sauce.